I am about to demonstrate my microwave getting the SE or 5E error. According to Samsung's videos, it happens when you press a button for too long. So I'm going to show that by just hitting a button, and while this is cooking that it'll go on. So I'm going to just hit add 30 seconds here. Cooking will start, and within a few seconds we should get the SE error here. Or 5E error. You see I wasn't holding any buttons. The microwave was cooking as it should have, and then this appeared. After several attempts to restart, I have contacted Samsung service.